With the purchase of your new Meritech system, you will be getting an installation box. In that box will be a welcome letter, the hand washing instructions that you can tape above your machine, and an installation card which will have a QR code which will have everything from manuals to training instructions. Also has your serial number and your PIN to log into your new system. Next, you will want to remove the back panel of your EVO 3. To do this, remove the 6 number 2 Phillips head screws. Simply pull off the panel to expose the supplied water lines and drain pipe. The EVO 3 comes standard with 5 feet of flexible supply lines with a female garden hose fitting. Next, you will want to hook this up to your facility shutoffs. The 1/2-inch lines you see here are for demonstration purposes only. The EVO 3 requires 3/4-inch supply lines producing 12 gallons a minute or more, and we recommend a full port ball valve with male garden hose fitting. Simply attach and turn on the supply lines, make sure your drain and power are connected, and begin your setup following the on-screen instructions.